In other videos, we've talked a lot about hardware and all the ways that upgrading your systems can save time and money. But what about software? Ideally, you want to upgrade lab hardware infrastructure without impacting the software environment. You don't want the weakest link in your software to be someone else's code. The hardware drivers that you get from third-party vendors are a risk. Any changes to these can cause a cascading impact through your entire software environment. Really, what that means is that trying anything new has unknown consequences, and when you try to avoid that, no one gets what they want. You don't have to choose between outdated hardware and endless software upgrade and maintenance, and Tech180 has a solution. With our I/O server approach, you don't have to change your software environment. Instead, we provide you with the source code for a single driver that uses generic physical layers to exchange data, command, and communication between the hardware and the software. Now, when it's time to upgrade your hardware, your software remains unchanged. It doesn't know that it's talking to different hardware, even when that replacement card may be from a totally different vendor. How that benefits you is that if you already have software test scripts written or operators that are familiar with those software tools, you don't have to start over with a new system. They don't even know the difference. So, you get the best of both worlds. You can keep your current software environment while taking advantage of the latest innovations in test system architecture. End users won't notice the change in hardware, but you get to protect your investment in the software while getting more advanced test systems faster and cheaper. With Tech180, you get to stay focused on testing your product in the software environment that you want to test in, and let someone else handle the headaches of configuration and hardware management that distract you from the real goal, testing the product. So let's recap. An I/O server approach eliminates the need to change your existing software environment while providing the benefits of an off-the-shelf test system architecture. This upgrade is invisible to the end user, requiring no shifts in workflow. And you're better insulated from problems stemming from obsolescence, as replacement items can be integrated without impacting the rest of your platform. To learn more about using advanced test systems with your current software environment, call us or visit us at tech180.us.